Hello, this is a product demo for Primal's anatomy tutorials for physical therapy. This comprehensive learning resource is worked in partnership with Physiopedia, which is a charity registered in the United Kingdom. They're known as Wikipedia for physiotherapists, as they own the world's largest rehabilitation knowledge resource for continuing education and professional development. This product contains 25 videos created by Physiopedia team, along with curated content from Primal's extensive product portfolio, including 3D views and animations from Primal's real-time functional anatomy, dissection images, imaging slides with cross-sectional 3D models, and clinical videos and quizzes. This product will allow a smooth bridging of anatomical knowledge and clinical applications for students and professionals in physiotherapy. So to access the product, you can go by several ways. I'll hide this. So you can go to the dashboard tab here and click on all titles tab. And if you click on functional anatomy and therapy title here, you'll see the thumbnail there. As I'm currently signed into my personal profile, which is set for physiotherapy, if I go to the recommended tab, it will actually appear on the first row. And again, here you'll see the product thumbnail. Alternatively, you can also access the product directly by going into the Learn tab. And when you go to the Learn tab, you'll see product thumbnails for different learning outcomes or anatomy tutorial products that you have subscription for. Here I'll select the anatomy tutorials for physical therapy thumbnail. So now we are in the product page. I'll close this. So clicking on the contents button will jump back to the landing page where I started. Once you land on the product page, you'll see the product title appear and a brief introduction of the relationship between Primal and Physiopedia here. And this is Physiopedia logo. And selecting on the presenter button will show you the full profile of the presenter of the video, who is called Daphne, and she's a professional physiotherapist and also a content creator at Physiopedia. Next is this left side menu, and as you can see, there are different categories for the 25 video tutorials, and selecting on a category will take you to the section within the main panel containing all the relevant videos there. So if I scroll down, and for each tutorial, as you can see, there is a number and a product thumbnail or tutorial thumbnail and a brief summary of what the tutorial entails. And to start the tutorial, you need to select this button here. It does say continue because I've previously clicked on it, but usually it says start. If you're logged into your personal profile, then you'll see a bit more defined categories for this button. So either start, continue like this one, or complete once you select on complete button at the end of the tutorial page. If you're not logged into your personal profile, then you'll only see start or complete. So now I'll open up one of the tutorials to show you what the tutorial actually entails. So As you can see, again, there's a tutorial number there and the summary text that you've just seen from the product page. After that, you can see different content available for this tutorial on this side menu here, and selecting on different content will take you directly to that content within this main page. I'll put that back to the top. And then the next is this share button. Clicking on this share button will create a share link, and the link will get automatically copied to the clipboard so that you just need to paste it into either a platform or an email or PowerPoint slide. And you can also embed this tutorial page as well directly into the LMS or VLE system by clicking on this embed button. And as you can see, a pop-up window appears asking you to select different LMS or VLE style. I'll go with Moodle, and selecting on generate code will generate the embeddable viewer code that will again get automatically copied into the clipboard so that the users can just paste it into their LMS. And selecting on the help file will take you to the relevant help content in the ATV help page. You can toggle to the previous or next tutorials by using these side arrow buttons. So now let's dive into the actual content of each tutorial. So the first thing you'll see is this anatomy tutorial video created by Physiopedia team, well, especially Daphne. And this video explains essential anatomy with engaging visuals from Primal's product portfolio, mainly from 3D real-time and real-time functional anatomy. So I'll jump forward a bit to show you what I mean. And here, as you can see, this is from 3D real-time, and moving it further, here you'll see animations from real-time functional anatomy. You can jump to different video chapter titles by using this chapter feature at the bottom. And for improved accessibility, we've included the captions, closed captions, and you can also download transcripts using this download transcript button. The next is key anatomy section, and here you can access the preset views, gallery views, and animations from our real-time functional anatomy product that are actually featured in the video. So I'll click on extension and flexion view, for example, animation more so. When you first click on the thumbnail, because it's the first time the product loads, it does show you this loading screen, but once you've opened one view, then the rest will automatically load without having to reload all this again. So I'll get given this like quick start video, quick start screen scene, which I can say I've got it. And after that, the animation for extension flexion of the wrist will load. And here you can interact with the video while it plays the motion, so you can zoom in to see how it moves, and you can also select and hide muscles or ghost muscles to see any structures that are kind of hidden or obscured underneath. You can also take the video from the anatomy tutorial video section and set it in picture-in-picture mode. And here you can actually set it side by side with the tutorial and interact with the model to check what's going on. I'll put that back to the tab. And as you can see, once the product is loaded, you can just select on any thumbnail and it would load instantly. And this feature allows instant apply of the knowledge that you've just learned from the video while actively engaging with the 3D model. And it also helps gain a stronger grasp of 3D conceptualization of the joints and the actual different structures that gets engaged for that functional movement. And you can also build advanced anatomical knowledge by utilizing what's already available in RTFA as well. So, such as selecting on a structure, you can actually display a detailed structure text that comes with innovations, blood supply, primary actions, secondary actions, and even like clinical relations. And there's also animation text for this actual movement itself, where it describes what's basically happening using different anatomical terms and a list of muscles that's involved in this movement. If you scroll down as well, you can also see this structure also appears in, which also shows all the relevant kind of other functional movement animations and also goniometry animations as well. So if you want to check out the goniometry, how the goniometry technique is performed on that joint, you can see that as well. After that is additional content, and here you can see 3D views or interactive dissection images and these ultrasound images along or MRI images along with Primal's cross-sectional models. And you can click through different layers for these imaging and cross-sectional models, and you can select on different structures and it would equally highlight in the actual imaging data as well. And if you click on these different ultrasound transducers, it will actually display ultrasound images that is expected to be seen when you place the transducer in that position. So this area is like where the bridging anatomy and clinical application really like starts to show off as well. And then you can solidify that by checking out the clinical videos that's available. And here we've got relevant videos to this tutorial from our disease and conditions product. So because it's the wrist tutorial here, I've got Colles fracture, osteoarthritis, which gets mentioned in the anatomy tutorial video, and carpal tunnel syndrome as well. And these videos cover the pathophysiology along with causes, symptoms, and treatment of this disease. And then last but not least, you can finish off by testing your knowledge by taking these quizzes, multiple choice quizzes we've got. There are 5 quizzes for each tutorial, and you can start it by pressing the Start Quiz button. And here you get these instant feedback of whether you've got it correctly or not. And you can go through and get all these instant feedback as soon as you submit your answers. I should be better at this actually. Um, and finishing it, you'll get this summary page where it will tell you how many you've got correct out of 5 quizzes, and all the history of which one's correct and incorrect. You can filter your results by using this drop-down list. So you can view the correct ones or incorrect ones only as well. You can take the quizzes as many times as you want by just pressing on the retake. Once you're happy with everything and you feel like you've learned everything that's in this tutorial page, you can select on complete button here. It won't allow you to select it if you're not logged into your personal profile. So because I am logged in, selecting on the completed button and closing the tutorial page, now I'll see the status here has changed from continue to completed. You can always revisit the tutorial if you want as well. And you'll also now notice that I've got this circle um, next to the tutorial, and this shows the score for my latest quiz attempt. So selecting on this will take me back to the quiz section, and you can start the quiz again to achieve higher score. If you click quiz results instead, that will actually take me to my progress page within the dashboard tab. You can also access this page directly by going through dashboard tab and selecting on my progress. And here it basically shows the overview of my quiz progress. So because I accessed it from upper limb region, you can see that it's in sync with the last page that I was on in the Learn tab. And here, this pie chart shows how many quizzes I've got correct out of the total number of quizzes available for this region. So because there are 5 tutorial videos and in this region, and as I mentioned before, there's 5 questions in each tutorial, making it 25. And out of that, you can see that currently I've got 3 out of 25 correct. And here you'll see individual quiz results, which again reflects your latest quiz score. So even if you've had like 100% here before, if you've reattempted it and got less than that, it would reflect the latest score there. And you can filter the or rearrange the quiz results by selecting on this drop down menu and sort the tables by however you want. So you can do it by tutorial name or quizzes that haven't been taken. And so And if you go to the overview section from this left side menu, which works exactly the same way as the left side menus you've seen in the Learn tab, where you click on it, will take you to that section in the main panel. Here you'll see the overview of your progress for all the tutorials. So you can see that I yet to attempt any of the quizzes that are available for these regions. And for the upper limb region and neuroanatomy region, you can see that I've started taking some quizzes and getting my results there. You can download your My Progress as an Excel spreadsheet format by clicking on this download button, and we'll open an Excel spreadsheet, and here you can see my name, email, and the product name. and tutorial number, and then the highest score with the last 5 attempts. So if you take more than 5 attempts, it starts renewing, and these scores will get pushed by 1 cell each. So you'll start seeing the latest score on the attempt 5 always. And it also comes with the latest attempt date and time as well. So educators can always request their students to download these spreadsheets and submit them so that they can check their students' progress. And this is it for the product demo. Hope you now have a bit more understanding of how the product works. And thank you for listening. Bye.